Do you know 22 million project management job openings are anticipated through 2027? Project management is an art and science of getting things done in a given timeline and budget. An art because there is no one definitive answer for how to best manage a project, and a science because there are well-developed techniques and processes that can help significantly to complete a project successfully. Today, we will explain project management through a simple example. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, then don't forget to hit subscribe button below to see our latest videos when they come out. I think the best example of project management is when I was completing my graduation. My friend, Mike, was a technical geek who loved to solve problems of people. One day, he received a call from her mother, Linda, seeking help to buy the best smartphone. Linda wanted to enhance her social network skill and expand her friendship circle. With the power of IT, Linda wanted to expand her homemade cookie business in her town. Mike was elated to hear her decision to join digital networking sites. He was determined to get the best mobile phone for his mother. After all, this requirement came from his mother and did not want to goof it up. So, Mike initiated brief conversation with his mother to understand the full specifications. He wanted to ascertain the key requirements like what kind of website she would use while using mobile. Does she have any preference for iOS or Android type phones? What are her favorite colors? When does she want the phone to get delivered? What apps she would use? What is the budget for the phone? What accessories she would like? And so on. After listening to his mother's requirements and phone features, Mike did some quick planning. He decides to break this project into several steps. Also, Mike sought my advice on how he can buy the phone at the lowest price. His first step was to find the best place to buy the phone. His mother's budget for the phone was on the lower side, however, the targeted phone was of high-end features. He was unable to find the required phone at such a low price. So, he decided to look for online stores, where he could get the phone at discounted offers on the latest mobile. After several hours of research on the internet, Mike found the phone he was looking for the desired price range. And for sure, finding the right phone for the woman, who carried him for 9 months, takes a great deal of research. After pinning down the right mobile, Mike moved to the next step of ordering the phone online. However, Mike would need a credit card to do the purchase and get the mobile at the targeted price, and for that, he again turned on me for help. I knew how seriously he is pursuing this mini project, and I was happy to help him out. So, with my credit card, Mike executed the online ordering of the phone with the fastest network provider plan, including the phone accessories. After the order placement, Mike continuously monitored the shipment status on a daily basis. After 2 days, Mike checked the online status of the shipment as delivered. But Linda informed him that she has not received the parcel. Mike was at the end of his wits. Mike thought he has been part of some online fraud. He made a phone call to customer care for registering his complaints. To his surprise, the customer care executive took the matter on a priority basis. The team ran several checks through the various departments. Actually, there was confusion over the shipment address, and it was delivered to the wrong address. After several rounds of discussion and phone, team assured Mike that the phone would be redelivered to the correct address. The team issued a new shipment tracking code. As a proactive guy, this time Mike directly coordinated with the shipper's delivery team and delivery boy. This way he was able to clearly communicate and control the further delays in delivery. It took 5 days for the shipper to redeliver the package to his home address. Finally, the mobile phone was delivered on Sunday morning. Mike outfitted the phone with a screen protector, activated the network SIM card, and installed all apps as desired by his mom. Also, Mike taught her mother how to create a Twitter and Facebook account and follow someone. After spending his whole Sunday, Mike made the phone ready to use in all respect and handed it over to his mother. Finally, the mission success was celebrated through a closing ceremony with Mike's favorite pizza. And that is how Mike bought the perfect smartphone for the most favorite people in the world, his mother. By the way, did you notice that Mike has effectively used his project management skills to complete this mini project at his home? Well, that's a perfect example of project management. At the core, this is how the personal, as well as professional projects are managed. And, if you would like to know more about projects and project management, visit us at projectsmind.com. At projectsmind.com, we support project people in all the amazing work they do every day. Our objective is to provide access to world-class project management education for anyone, anywhere in the world for free. The concepts you will learn are applicable to all projects, from Fortune 500 firms to all the way to your own home. And don't forget to hit subscribe button below to see our latest videos when they come out. See you later, and bye for now.